a 61-year-old man presents to the clinic because of sinus congestion, dyspnea, fatigue, and a productive cough. He returned from a trip to Wuhan, China 3 weeks ago. He says that he received his annual influenza vaccine approx 2 months ago and was in otherwise good health prior to the recent onset of symptoms. The heart rate is 92 per minute, respiratory rate is 20 per minute, temperature is 108 degree Fahrenheit, blood pressure is 100 over 60 millimeter of mercury, chest x-ray shows a scant bilateral patchy infiltrate, a sputum culture shows no gram staining organisms, and cold agglutinins are negative. Which of the following best describes the pathogen responsible for the patient's case? I think everyone knows that it is a single-stranded RNA virus which is enveloped, and it is helical. This was of importance. It is positive sense and it is helical. Something else that I want you to know is that usually viruses acquire their nucleocapsid from the cell membrane of the cell, but COVID-19 virus acquires it from the Golgi apparatus. So when it is budding off, it is already a fully functional virus inside the cell of inside a cell. So all the virus particles are fully functional inside one particular cell. So that is the reason why it is such highly infectious and such highly, morbidity and mortality was sort of high. Otherwise, it's other important stuff about this particular virus. It is a long the virus produces a long set of protein which is then broken down into functional enzymes and capsomeres. Apart from that, I think these two are the most important chunks of information.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.